Hello all, welcome in our YouTube channel ERP team. Today I will show you how to decommission any asset. Okay, for this the transaction code is ABUMN. Okay, we have received a request of the decommissioning for the two battery sets. One is this 2000 ampere hour battery and second one is this. I am going to decommission first asset, which is the combination of two battery set. Okay, for this the transaction code is ABUMN. ABUMN is a transaction code to decommission any live asset. Okay, this is the asset. Okay, here you have to fill the asset ID of the asset which is going to decommission. Okay, see, getting my points? This asset is the combination of two battery set. I have to direction to decommission one battery set. Here is the document date, that is the posting date. Okay, this is the posting date. Asset value date is the date on which date the depreciation is going to stop. Okay, so I am just taking the AC9 date. The AC9 approval date is the asset value date. From this date the depreciation running will going to stop. Getting my points? Okay, so here transfer to two option, existing asset or new asset. We have to create a new asset for the 9917, that is the decommission asset clause asset. Okay, and here you have to maintain a text decommission of the asset, decommission of the battery asset, which is suitable for you. Okay, decommissioning of asset, and here you have to choose the new asset class, that is the 9917, that is the decommissioning asset class. Okay, and you just need to enter. Okay, this asset is the combination of two battery set. I am going to decommission partially because one battery set is retained and one battery set is going to retire. Okay, if I am going to directly then simulate and post, because of that I'm going to decommission partially, then click on the partial transfer. Here you have to fill the quantity 1 because only one battery set is going to retire. Click on the simulate, and here is a warning, check your quantity entry. Okay, because only one batteries here. This is the entry, this is the asset GL entry, this is the provision of decommission, provision of depreciation. Okay, and 2330001 is a GL of decommission asset class GL 683,821. The original asset value is approximate 13 lakh something, so only half of the battery set is going to retire. Getting my points? So in this GL entry is posted and one asset master has been created now once I post. Okay, getting my points? Okay, once you post, a document number has been generated now, and this is a asset master has been created now, 991706,748. You just note down this asset, because using this asset I will going to flow the scrap sale process. Getting my points? So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Please like, share and subscribe, and thank you.